What's going on, people? We are back with another video. Today, guys, Revolution again, but this time we're in central London. As you lot can see, London Eye behind me, and you know where it is, bro. It's a movie. Guys, before we get into this video, make sure you share, like, subscribe, support your boy, because I put a lot of work in, guys, so I would appreciate that a lot. And just stay tuned for this movie. Peace.
So many days I prayed for this. Thank God I was made for this. My dreams coming true cause I'm chasing it. Success around the corner, I'm tasting it. But is this all I know? That's what it feels like home. I watch my dreams unfold, but my story is still untold. So many nights I prayed for this. Thank God I was made for this. My dreams coming true cause I'm chasing it. Success around the corner, I'm tasting it. But is this all I know? I swear it feels like home. I watch my dreams unfold.
Oh guys, look at this
but my
C63,
story is
this is
still
mad.
untold.
This is the
All I
bangers.
ever had was patience. And had nights I felt I wasn't gonna make it. I made up for all the times that I wasted. But in this dream, a nigga always have faith in. I said I took it where I had to go. Every day I took risks because I wanted more. When it comes to this dream, nigga, I risk it all. And I ain't gonna stop grinding until we fucking on. We done fucking.
Yeah, of course.
Let's go!
You see, that's the vibe we want, guys.
Motion picture shit.
Alright guys, we are outside today. Revolution took it all the way to London Eye today. It's a little one, man. Hella cars are out tonight. Obviously you see all the people outside. What you saying, my bro? What you saying?
bro?
I'm good, how are you? Alright. Hey, okay, my boy. Yes, my G. But yeah, you lot can see, man. It's lit tonight. We got my man popping ramen. Alright, come on, man. Gotta show love to the guys, my brother. Tonight, bro, it's lit. Everyone's outside. But let's show love to this guy over here. Gave me his parking spot. Real talk, I appreciate it. You lot guys can see, bro. There's no spaces. Yeah, when I got here, there was no spaces at all, bro. This guy over here showed bit love. He gave me his spot. So thanks to him. Salute to you, man. I appreciate you. Always love for you, man. Always. Got a nice 350Z. There's loads of cars tonight. You look, can see that loud M4, the revving, hopping and that. AMG's outside. E63, come on. That's a beast. What I'm gonna do now is quickly go through the cars, see what sort of cars we got here today. Let's try to spot some nice cars for you guys. Got this Golf R hopping, revving crazy, pretty loud. And we've got 350Z. How you doing, bro? You alright? Beautiful. What else we got, man? Let's try spot some nice whips. This is crazy loud as well, guys. Over there, they were popping crazy. They didn't stop, you know. But we're gonna try find something good, especially because these are the bike lot, Banshee lot. Alright, what you saying, my boy? What's good, my brother? How are you?
You see,
good,
them,
yeah?
you see them filming and snitching it.
Who?
They're filming it.
Who?
They're those security guys.
Forget the security,
No,
man.
but they're filming number plates.
But salute the big man, always. How's the family?
Everything is
Yeah,
good,
blessed. Where's
How
the
about you?
beast?
This
She's
one,
over there, yeah?
Yeah, it's
Go
over
on,
there,
I'm
yeah.
doing my thing, yeah?
All
Love.
right, then.
Thank you.
Rest the bike.
We've got Nabi. He's outside. Purple Sirocco, Ford ST. With this one, A4 very loud. These are zipping up and down. Yes, my G. We got, what else we got, man? Let's try to spot some nice whips. Wait, my bro. He said, we're out here, man. We're central today. Something different. My boy. Let's see. Oh, we got a Porsche. Jeez, man. I love my Porsches. This is nice, guys. Oh, he said, hey, my G's. Come on, man. We outside, bro. Come on. But yeah, look at this Porsche, guys. This is lovely, man. My boy, come on. Hey, what's your TikTok? Get in your TikTok.
Turbros UK, my
Say that
man.
again.
Turbros UK.
Spell it.
Turbros UK. Turbros UK. Check it out.
If you don't want to see live stuff, make sure you go check this guy out, yeah? He's out there for real. Got a Mazda's outside as well. But this is lit, bro. Everyone's outside. A few cars over there. Hello, brother. How are you?
So next,
Huh?
next location.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
Racing?
Yet. What are you saying, bro? How are you? You're good? What are you saying? I don't know if they're racing, but because they're in central London, I don't know. I ain't chat. He's moving next level out. There's a lovely M2 over there as well. Let's check the M2 out. Got a wide body kit as well. And look at the number plate, 9FUB. Woo! Where you lot think? This is beautiful, man. We've got this M4, man. This M4 is outside, very loud as well. Everyone's outside, man. I'm gonna lie. Pretty lit tonight, but yeah, there's not much to show you guys as well. People just parked up. We quickly went through the car. Come on, man. The boys are outside. What's good, my boys?
Outside, bro.
Bro, they always show love, man. What are you telling me, though?
It's been a long time coming, man.
Trust me, man. What's the sea like? What's the sea?
No, it's crazy, man.
It's a mad
Not
city.
good at all, man.
Trust me, man. Hey, salute to this guy. They always show love. I ain't gonna lie, man. Good vibes only from this guy. For real, man. So yeah, guys, I pretty much showed you lot all the cars, yeah. So what I'm gonna do now, yeah, is I'm gonna walk up to people, ask them what are their dream cars and why, because there's a lot of faces that I haven't seen before. So stay tuned, guys. Good. Good question for the camera, you lot, yeah? Yeah. So I'm asking you, what are your dream cars and why? We'll start with you. What's your dream car? BMW i8. i8? Oh. Alright, fair enough. enough, fair enough. What about you?
I don't know my cars. I don't know.
You don't know anything.
Say for
This guy asked
What
me
would you choose?
how
Lambo
many
or
rev.
So like, you know the Porsches, but they're like a truck sort of. Like they're like big Porsches.
What, the 4x4?
Yeah,
Oh, you like
4x4
4x4? Alright,
yeah.
cool, fair play. What about you?
Probably just like a C63.
Okay,
Standard.
Germans, what about
It's got
you?
a Bugatti.
Bugatti, oh shit,
What
you went to the
Bugatti?
top.
Or Lamborghini.
Alright boys, I appreciate you lot.
Lamborghini
Check this out,
Aventador,
Ace
actually.
Nation.
Lamborghini
Where is it?
Aventador.
Ace Nation on YouTube. Ace Nation.
Yeah.
Make sure you subscribe.
Huh?
How many subs?
Just a K, no.
That's good, that's good.
You're
growing, you're growing.
Are we gonna build?
Yeah, of course.
Let's go!
Lamborghini Aventador.
You see, that's the vibe we want, guys. Quick question, yeah? For the vlog, yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah. So, hold the camera, yeah? Quick question, yeah?
Hey, come. Hey, Idris.
Bring the boys, yeah?
Idris.
I'm gonna ask them what they dream cars on why, yes?
Let me join in for this one.
Yeah, of course, man. All you lot, come.
Are you Moroccan?
Oh, that's a whole...
What's up about
Hey, Chica. Hey, Randy, come. Hey, put up.
The question is, yeah, I'm gonna ask you lot individually, what's your dream cars and why? We'll start with you.
I
but
said
quick.
GTR. GTR just beat.
GTR, that's my one.
energy,
Hey, GTR, what about you?
Hey, a Supra.
Oh, Japs, man, the Japs out.
GTR.
GTR, my guy, man. What about you?
1990. Say it again.
1990 C-Class.
C-Class, okay, we've got some old school. What about you?
for Tokyo Supra, fucking tuned, man.
Alright, come on, man. Alright, shout out to the boys, man. Alright, you lot, check this out.
Ace Nation. Of course, man. Hey, when do you upload?
How you doing, guys? You good? Quick question for the vlog, yeah? Yeah. I basically walk around. Ask people what they dream cars and why. So we start with you, bro.
Dream car. I mean, I quite like RS5s.
Alright, okay, German. Fair play, bro. They're good cars. What about you?
For me, it's the Golf R, bro.
Go for
Yeah, man.
Dream
Go
bigger
for-
though.
Front-
But they're good cars, man. They're sick cars. Wow, that's crazy. But yeah, sorry, bro. No problem, man. It's cool. Just go far, yeah? Yeah, that's you. Alright, man. Fair play. What about you, bro? Your dream car?
G-Wagon.
G-Wagon, alright. What about you, G? You're sick? Oh, the big one, okay. Sick. What about you? M4, bro. M4, alright. So none of you don't like GTRs here? I think GTRs are the best. Oh, come on, that's my dream car, bro. Alright, boys, love you. Appreciate all of you lot, man. Whoa, guys, look at this C63. This is mad. This is the bangers. This color is amazing, I'm not gonna lie. Wow. With the flash, look at that, yo. That's nice. Is that yours? Is it yours?